Hi, I'm Joni Rosen, and this is my husband Jerry. We live in North Scottsdale. Well, I have to say that we really are happy with the care, and we use many physicians in the group. We have our family care doctor, Dr. Margaret Behrens. We have my husband's cardiologist, Dr. Christopher Appleton. He goes also to the hearing aid clinic, Kelly. I can't remember her last name, but with the hearing aid, they're so kind. And we have Dr. Ignatius in the dermatology department. We have Dr. Painter from the orthopedic department. I'm trying to think if I'm remembering everything, but the point is, when you make an appointment to see a doctor on your own, you get treated well, efficiently and kindly on the telephone when you make that appointment. When you go in and you check in at the desk, the girls that are behind the desk that are taking your schedule, checking you in, they're all very pleasant and sometimes have a great sense of humor, and it makes you feel good that you're there. And then you wait till it's time to be called and somebody comes out to get you, and that person too is very kind. She weighs you in, she takes you to your room, and it's lovely. And this is all that precedes the fine care that we get from the doctors themselves. Also, I'm a surgical patient of Dr. Roseanne Coe, women's health area, and we're just very pleased with everything from Mayo.
Well, we've always heard about Mayo, and that's always been one name that you always remember because it's always in the forefront. And as far as the expectation goes, from what I heard about Mayo, was even better than what I heard, because I actually now live it and I'm here. So we are really both very happy being here and being taken care of by Mayo.
I wanted to add that my husband has a pacemaker, and he sees the pacemaker clinic people here. Dr. Altimos performed his pacemaker surgery and subsequent surgery, and he gets excellent care from them also. One of the things is, when you're used to going to a private doctor, as we were in New York, you make your appointment, you get your appointment, you go, and there's the doctor and there's the nurse, and you do. But with Mayo, you have the link to all the Mayo doctors everywhere and all the information that's within the system. So if it's trouble to being diagnosed about a particular problem, they have a plethora of things to go to for research and to bounce ideas and thoughts and things off of, and that you don't get from just an individual doctor. You get that when you're in a place like Mayo with this kind of reputation and the main clinic being in Rochester and everything. It's just amazing, just amazing.
I've had a couple experiences which has made me feel very good. I went for a needle biopsy for prostate cancer, and it was on a Friday. And I says, well, when will I get my report? Well, we can't get to you until next week sometime. And Saturday the phone rings, and it's one of the people who did Mr. Rosen. We just want to let you know that everything is fine. We want you to have a good weekend, and that's so important to make you they know that you worry about it, and they worry about how you feel. Now, that's most unusual. I take Dr. Appleton, who is my cardiologist, is fabulous, and I had some stuff going on with me in the hospital, and he was away. He was on a trip, and sure enough, I get a call from his secretary, and on his trip he called her to find out how I am. How am I doing? It isn't here he is on vacation, and he's still worrying about how I. Now, you just don't get that, and these are just the little things that are so important